In this video, I will show you how to disable share button on Facebook post. Firstly, what you're gonna do to take off this section, you need to go and, for example, take a post on it. You can simply go with some emojis adding on it. I will go with this one. And then what you need to do next, as you can see on the first session on your upper side, you have that public session. Just click on it and it says who can see your post. Now what you need to choose right over here, you need to go for the setup, which is for friends. And now when it's for friends, nobody can simply go and share this button until it is your friend. But if you go done and then go post it, and now if you want to just simply take a look on that selection, go on the three dots on your right upper side, go for settings, and then what you need to select, you need to go for your privacy settings, in which when you get right there, you need to go to your activity. Firstly, go for that setup, as I said before, privacy, go for here privacy, go for privacy checkup, and right over here it says who can see your future posts. Now if you go on the first side right over here and you go continue, when you scroll down, you're gonna find out who can see the people page and the list you follow. Now turn on to the next side. Here you can set future posts. Here it is, the right offer right here. Just go on that friend side, and here guys, you can simply take off to see more and go simply to only me, and with this you have disabled share button on Facebook post.